Hello everyone, we're here in DaVinci Resolve 18.5. I'm going to show you how to put shaders on 3D text in Fusion. I also have 3 templates, a 1-line, a 2-line, and a 3-line template that I will leave in the description below if you want to grab that. I will demonstrate that after I get done in Fusion. We'll start out with going up in the media pool, right click, new Fusion composition. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. After you create it, you'll see a gray box up here. Bring that down to your timeline. Head to Fusion. I might as well do a quick 3D setup here, just in case you don't know how to do it. Start out with bringing a background down. Connecting your media out. With the background node selected, turn the alpha all the way down. Right off the bat, you'll see in the right viewer, it's transparent. Now click somewhere right about here. Select the 3D text node. Emerge. Spotlight. And render. That's a basic 3D setup. Drag the text 3D in the left viewer. And excuse me if I'm slow at this. I am paralyzed and I have to use this on-screen keyboard. If I'm too slow for you, then I guess don't watch the videos. Now, as you see up in the left viewer, we have text, but there's no girth to it. There's no 3D. Click down here in Fusion in the inspector. And slide the extrusion depth to the right, and you'll see you're getting some thickness to your text. These bevels, they'll bevel the edges. Right above the viewer, you can turn the lighting on and off. Drag the render 3D in the right viewer. More than likely, your text will be too high. Go to the V anchor in the inspector and select the center one. That'll line it up. Now select the render 3D. Enable lighting and shadows. And now if you look in the right viewer, we have no light. Everything's dark. Now go to your spotlight. You'll see it in the left viewer. It's right in the middle of your text. As I'm pulling it back, you'll see in the right viewer that the spotlight is showing up. With the spotlight node selected, unless you want to pull the light way back, which you can by going under transform. Or you can open the cone angle. Now to add the texture. Hit Shift Spacebar. If it doesn't come up like mine, click once right there. Type in Replace Material. And if you had your 3D text already selected, the Replace Material node should be connected right to it. Check it by moving it. Now we'll get a texture to put on it. They're nothing but a picture of something. I have a bunch saved in my bin. We'll bring that one on down. Pipe it into the Replace Material. Drag and merge in the left viewer. As you see, we have texture. Sorry I cannot move around the 3D world like you guys can with a metal mouse wheel. Select your spotlight node. Go to Transform. Select Use Target. Now your spotlight will always be looking directly at the text. Now go to Controls. We'll turn the intensity down. Depending on the shader, if it's something shiny and bright, you'll need less light. Now take the Render 3D and merge it back into the background. It'll make another merge. Take your media out. Drag it up into the right viewer. And there's one texture. There's another one, copper. One of my favorites here. Some kind of swirled copper. I will leave a timestamp in the description if you want to go straight to my templates that I'm giving away. Let's bring in a solid color generator. By default, they're black. I'll change one more and then I'll show you how to do it in my templates. It's actually much easier. You can do it all right in the inspector. Simple wood texture, redwood. All it is a picture. You can get them off Google. Okay, now I'll show you with my one of my templates. Bring it over, drop it on a timeline. First thing, if you're going to put a texture on, you want to make the color white. Now you scroll down to here and select image. And then brush. Then you'll have a whole list. You can add to these. You can put them in. You just have to find the brushes template, or I'm sorry, the brushes folder to drop them in. Go to Blackmagic Design, follow the folders, and under templates you'll see brushes. That's where you can put the pictures in that folder that you can find right here. I just put brushed aluminum on, lightly brushed. In my templates, I have 3 lights, a backlight, a left light in the front, a right light in the front, and an ambient light. And you can animate these, keyframe them, and do whatever you like. And they're all marked. This is spotlight back. That's what spotlight B means. Left light. Okay, back to the shaders. We'll turn the ambient light down all the way. There's the right light. Left light. Now we have some shadows with the spotlights. I'll demonstrate my 2-line template. Bring the playhead over to that. Put whatever text you'd like in there. You got line 1 up here. Add a little more excursion to it. Over the edges a bit. Go down here to image. Then brush. You can always select clip and browse your computer too. And bring in anything that out of a folder that you'd like. There's Chrome. We want to select use one material. Back to brush. Now we go down to the second line. This way you can have like a larger text up on top, something smaller on the bottom. Same thing with the bottom line. Image. Brush. That's brush brass. I have a ton of them I put in there. I could spend all day long. Diamond plate. You can do all your adjustments right there under center. Okay, well that about does it. Everything with these templates that I made, you're free to get, is operable within the inspector on the edit page. Or you can go into the Fusion and set up something like this. You can use the center values Y to raise or lower the lettering in either text box 1 or 2. I'm going to try to cut some of this downtime out, shorten the video for you. Like I stated earlier, if it's nauseating for you to watch my videos because I'm slow, then don't take the time to watch them. But those of you that do, thank you very much. Let's go back to the spotlights. It looks much better. Well, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.